Hi, I'm Gary Kenny, Customer Success Manager at Link3D, and today we're talking about process management. Connecting 3D printers and equipment with your manufacturing execution system is an important factor for streamlining production. When problems arise on the shop floor, operators must make quick decisions for corrective actions. When identifying the ideal MES solution for your operation, here are a few things to check. Is the MES solution interoperational, allowing operators to focus on specific machines or equipment being monitored and controlled? Is the MES solution tracking one operation to the next? Are there built-in exception management solutions to ensure factory personnel are aware of process changes that are outside of acceptable tolerances? Is there any data collection and acquisition strategy between machines and the MES solution? When problems arise on the shop floor, a connected MES solution enables awareness at your facility, helping machine operators solve problems fast enough to keep the production floor running at maximum capacity.